پرندوں سے محبت کا انوکھا انداز. These birds going with your home over there. They go with your home. How long you are give them the food? They love you. They're not scared from you. Some scared, but when you touch, they're not scared.
At home I have 5 handicapped, disabled. They cannot walk, they cannot fly, so I keep.
You keep in your apartment, your home, and that's the blessing. That's the blessing. See, they come around you. But how they know you give them the food? You can. Many years. Oh, how many years? You 10 years. You give them the food. That's so nice.
It's not always the same pigeons because they have a very short life.
But how is that not the same one?
I recognize
Oh, you know them.
some, not all of them.
How long is their life? Like the
3-5 years.
3-5 years only?
The very strong ones, 8-10, but sometimes 1 year.
That's a special blessing for you because in our in back home in like the other countries, the birds they cannot come to the humans. They like the scare from the humans. But you see here too, they not go to anyone, but they go on you. I see you on the last year in summer. I see you. Nice to talk to you. God bless on you. Take care. Thank you. How are you?